Hey guys, it's Joe from NEWTUBER Reviews. I do reviews on new YouTube channels and I offer outside perspective and review things such as your logo, channel art, description, video content, music, thumbnails. If you'd like me to review your channel, just comment down below and I will get to it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see how other YouTubers are doing and gain some ideas as well. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to be doing a review today on aartadventure. From Reddit. So let's go ahead and type their name for the first time. aartadventure. Alright. Oh, I must have typed it wrong then. Let me fix that. Well, we got a glitch here. Yep. Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a review on a Redditor who submitted his YouTube channel to me. The name is aartadventure. aartadventure. Let's check it out. Alright, so we got a artistic drawing of a person's face, and I guess that's the creator because I see him right below. Pretty cool. Maybe you can put your name in there somehow, aartadventure. So 741 subscribers, 107 videos. Hey there, I'm Christopher. Let's go on an art adventure together. Alright, so I'm excited for this because this guy's an artist. So his channel must be expected to be beautifully polished or insanely artistic. So I'm going to subscribe to you, buddy. Let's check your stuff out. All right, so yeah, you've got typical thumbnails, eye-catching. What is your channel about? I'm trying to figure out. Sketchbox, Grabbox, so unboxings. Jenna Marbles, Mean Girl, Seven Ravens. I mean, maybe this is not not in my knowledge zone, but still doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. So let's check what you're about. Hi there, I'm Christopher. Let's go on an art adventure. You can reach me at aartadventure.gmail.com. Yeah, you can put that email address in your business inquiries as well. Your banner is pretty cool. Yeah, of course. I'm digging it. If you're an artist, you probably have an Instagram. If you don't, get one. Facebook page. Put them in your banner. You're going to need that for sure. People want to see your art, so you better have an Instagram. So playlists, let's check it out. All right, you got tons. I'm really happy about that. Graphite landscapes. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I'm not much of an arts major or student or anything. I'm an engineer, so. But all right, you got beautiful thumbnails. Like I like this one is gorgeous right here. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. So I can't tell what you're doing, but I don't know if I can't tell exactly what your focus is on. Just general art, I guess, but I don't know. I don't think that's a problem because your stuff is just intriguing, you know. Like I mean, you're talking about colors here, markers, then you're doing unboxings. Okay, just general stuff that will attract people, many types of people. I don't know if that's good or bad, that you're going everywhere, but you do a couple of unboxings. You don't just do one. You do a few, so it's good. Uh, so it's just general art. So I don't think it's a problem that it's different topics, but it's okay. Anyways, your art thumbnails do reflect that you're an artist, and they're insanely gorgeous. Really good job with that. Let's watch one of your videos for fun, just a little bit, 30 seconds or something. Jenna Marbles, but as a 90s mean girl.
OMG, how rude. You interrupted my selfies hour.
That's
well,
good.
At least are you subscribed? If you're so
That's
retro
good.
that you don't know, it's just that button down there. Now,
Nice call to action. Really good job.
Oh yeah.
Let's go in the middle.
So I'm gonna keep practicing
Whoa.
as much as I can.
Okay, now I see what you do. I see what you do now.
Darks on dim.
Insane, insane.
So
Whoa, guy.
shadow areas and
You are insanely skilled, and I don't like to say talented because that takes away some of the hard work you put into this. You're extremely skilled. And let's see your commentaries. Okay, that's really good. You pinned the message, and you asked questions. I'm really impressed. You're answering everybody. Okay, you're on the right track. You're on the right track. Great job. Okay, Mister, you've got a great channel, and I'm really impressed. Let me just go back to the main page. What did I want to say? What did I want to say? Yeah, fix up your banner. You're doing everything right. Your art is gorgeous. Your video thumbnails are insane. You have hooks in your intro, and you're calling to call to actions. Really good job. 9 on 10. I mean, maybe even between 9 and 9.5. Just fix up the banner, and that's it. So I wish you all the best of luck, and I want to hear your opinion, Mr. aartadventure. So just comment down below, and anyone else comment down below if you want me to review your channel and give your opinion on aartadventure. See you guys in the next review.